Let's dive into the difference between a smart portfolio and DIY investing on Stash so you can pick what fits your style best. Smart portfolio is a hands off option where Stash creates and manages a diversified mix of stocks and ETFs based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's great if you want to invest but don't have the time or interest to research individual stocks. With a smart portfolio, your investments are automatically balanced and you don't have to worry about adjusting your holdings. Stash does it for you. On the flip side, DIY investing gives you full control to choose specific stocks and ETFs. This option is perfect if you enjoy researching companies, want to build a custom portfolio, or follow trends on your own terms. Both options have low minimums. You can start investing with as little as $5, and Stash provides easy to use tools and educational resources to support you either way. If you prefer a set it and forget it approach, Smart Portfolio is your go to. But if you want to be more hands on and make all the investment decisions, DIY investing lets you do that. Whichever route you choose, Stash makes investing accessible and simple in 2025.